good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have the Air Jordan 11 University Blue. I have a grade school and I have a men pair, so I'll show y'all the grade school and review the men pair. But before we get started, you know I have to shout out some shoes. We have the Green Spark Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks. Make sure y'all go watch this video. This video is out already. And just give y'all a little sneak peek. I'm not even gonna say anything. All right. Still on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. Again, thank y'all for supporting. Thank y'all for watching the channel, and thank y'all for the feedback. Now let's get into it. Definitely want to say that I feel like these should have been dropped before Easter, but luckily, if you plugged in like that, you can get them before Easter, but a lot of people can't. But I feel like they should have dropped it before Easter. Versus all of the spring flower threes and the Easter threes and all of those colorful shoes that they drop in. They definitely should have dropped these because people would have been buying these. These would have sold out for sure if they dropped it for Easter, but now they might sit because obviously people are buying shoes that's available for Easter and they probably not gonna be buying nothing after that. But before we get started, I absolutely love this shoe. Love the color, love everything about it. All right, take the other one out. I'm gonna review this shoe and then I'm gonna just take the grade school out. Forgot to mention the box, Jordan face box on the grade school and the men. The size tag reads white, university blue, and black. On the inside, we have this checkerboard pattern paper, just like on the bottom, the carbon fiber shank on the bottom. All right, so we have this glossy patent leather university blue all around the shoe, which I really, really, really like. Then we have this white leather here, soft white leather on the uppers. We got white laces, university blue embroidered tag right here on the tongue. On the inside, I'm not sure if the 2017 pair had the Nike Air on the inside, but the Jordan brand is going Nike Air crazy on everything. So a lot of shoes have Nike Air on it. Moving on, we have the back here. We have a 23 in black. Then we have a small embroidered Jumpman in university blue. Not bad, not bad. On the bottom, we have the icy translucent blue sole. We have that university blue right here. Again, the carbon fiber shank in that pattern. Same as the paper in the box. White Jumpman. Definitely would have been a fire Easter shoe, for sure. Again, these did drop in 2017. Now they're back in 2026. I believe they originally dropped in 2001. I believe they originally dropped in 2001, then 2017, now 2026. Are releasing April 18th, full family sizing. So I'm about to show y'all this shoe and then we'll go over the grade school. The retail is $195 on the men's. Not entirely sure how much on the grade school. Probably about $160, probably about $150-ish. Oh, show y'all. There's a black quality basketball product inspired by the greatest play in the world tag on the tongue. I'm not gonna show y'all greatest play. All right, whatever. Also, the size tag is on the inside, the inner corner of the shoe. Not on the tongue in the back, it's on the inside. All right, so make sure all of those details that I just discussed aligns with your shoe. Don't get the fakes now. This is the real deal shoe, so make sure all the details align. Make sure you got the black 23 on the back, the Jumpman, because the Baloney Man is serving and he gonna get y'all for Easter for sure. Y'all be wanting these shoes. I know they are coming out after Easter, so I know everybody probably want them, and y'all gonna settle for the fakes now and pay the same price. All right, grade school box. Again, I mentioned they both have the Jordan face box. I'm glad grade school came with a better box than what they be coming with. They always come with that boring box, so I'm just glad they changed it up. Same details in the box. Just gonna briefly show y'all the shoe, just so y'all know what the grade school should look like. Of course, the form of the grade school looks a little bit different, but at least it's not as bad as like the Jordan 14s, the Jordan 13s. You know how they make the grade school on those type of shoes. So at least it's not too bad. The biggest difference is just the patent leather cut. The grade school has a lower cut than the men, which I don't really like, but it's not that big of a difference. And I feel like the grade school has a little bit more defects and stuff like that. Like the little dots on the midsole that you see. So yeah, I still stand by grade school shoes are poorly made, way worse than the men pair. But I think these are a lot better than what we've been seeing so far. Also, it does look kind of like flat though. But yep, these are the University Blue Air Jordan 11s, releasing April 18th for $195 on the men pair and about $150 on the grade school. Full family sizing. So make sure if y'all want this shoe, y'all definitely go cop that. I definitely say it's a must cop. It's better than what y'all copping for Easter. But yeah, this pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank y'all for watching.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail. I can't